Your task is to order a 3-foot C13 to C14 power cable. You are given a part number of 929103HV, which is available from DataPro. Unfortunately, your purchasing department won't order from DataPro, so you have to source the part from somewhere else. First, visit the DataPro website and extract the specifications about the cable. Now go to a manufacturer's website and use the information from DataPro to find a manufacturer part number. "10 amps is equivalent to 18 American wire gauge. Here is a 3-foot, C13 to C14, 18 AWG power cable with all its detailed specifications. You can download the specification here. Use the part number on a distributor's website search bar. If the distributor distributes the OEM parts, it should be easily found on their website.